C, G. You're probably gonna hear a little bit of wind blowing in the breeze, so I apologize about that. If you've been watching my other videos the past couple days, you probably noticed things aren't quite like I normally do. Hi, it's Corey, and today I'm in a little bit different location. I'm actually on vacation right now, but I still want to get those tutorials done every day for the month of July. So today we are doing In My Life by the Beatles. First things first, make sure you get your ukulele in tune. That's going to be a G on the 4th string, a C on the 3rd string, an E on the 2nd string, and an A on the 1st string. Now the chords you're going to be needing for this song will be a G chord, a D, an E minor, an A minor, an F, and a C. Let's try that verse. 1, 2, here we go. There are places I remember all my life, and some have changed, some forever, not for better. Some have gone, and some remain. Now what you could do if you wanted to make that a little bit more interesting, you could strum on every beat like this. 1, 2, here we go. There are places I remember all my life, and some have changed, some forever, not for better. Some have gone, and some remain. For the next part of the song, we're going to play an E minor, then an A minor, F, and a G. And then we'll play again E minor and then A minor, but then C and G. Let's try it. I'm going to skip ahead right to playing on the beat. If you'd like to just play on the down strums, that's totally fine too. 1, 2, here we go. All these places have their moments with lovers and friends. I still recall some are dead and some are living. In my life, I love them all. For the next verse, you're going to go right back to the first progression we did. Let's try it. 1, 2, here we go. But of all these friends and lovers, there is no one compares with you, and these memories lose their meaning when I think of love as something new. The next part of the song is going to have the same progression as the second part that we played with the first verse. Let's try it. 1, 2, here we go. Though I know I'll never lose affection for people and things that went before, and I know I'll often think about them. In my life, I love you more. Now at the very end of the song, we have a little reprise of the In My Life, I Love You More, but it's going to be a lot slower, like this. 1, 2, here we go. In my life, I love you more. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. It's a little more basic, I think, than people think of. There are more chords that go into the song traditionally, but you can simplify it a lot. If you have any songs that you're currently working on that you would like me to take a look and try to make an easier version for you, make sure to comment down below and I can take a look and try to make a video for you. But please consider subscribing. I'll be making new videos every single day for the month of July for the ukulele. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.